Hi friends, thanks for watching Sarfanga Information Technology Services channel for learning. If you want to watch more videos, please subscribe our channel at YouTube at Sarfaranga.
Our today's topic is Oracle Database Logical Objects.
Let's discuss about logical objects of Oracle database. Logical objects typically refer to database components and structures that define the organization and management of data within the database. These logical objects are essential for designing, storing, and querying data efficiently. Here are some common Oracle logical objects. First one. Tables are a fundamental component of relational database management systems (RDBMS) and are used to store structured data in a tabular format. In a relational database, data is organized into tables, where each table consists of rows and columns. Here are detailed explanations of the key aspects of tables in a relational database. Each table has a unique name within the database schema, which is used to identify and reference the table. Database administrators (DBAs) are responsible for table maintenance, including creating, altering, and dropping tables as needed. Table maintenance also includes optimizing table performance, managing indexes, and backing up table data. Second one. In Oracle database, a view is a virtual table created by a database query. Views do not contain actual data themselves. Instead, they provide a way to access and present data stored in one or more tables or other views. Views are often used for security, data abstraction, simplifying complex queries, and controlling access to data. Here's a detailed explanation of Oracle views. A view is a virtual table because it doesn't store any data on its own. Instead, it is a stored query that retrieves data from one or more base tables whenever the view is queried. Views provide a logical layer on top of the physical data, allowing users to interact with the data without needing direct access to the underlying tables. Views are a valuable tool in Oracle databases for simplifying data access, enhancing security, and providing a logical layer for users to interact with the data. When used effectively, views can improve database usability and maintainability. These are fundamentals of database, so listen carefully. I think third one. Yes. In Oracle database, an index is a database object that enhances the retrieval efficiency of rows from a table. Indexes are like data structures that provide a quick way to look up rows based on the values in one or more columns. They play a crucial role in improving query performance by allowing the database engine to locate specific rows without scanning the entire table. Here's a detailed explanation of Oracle indexes. Indexes significantly improve query performance by allowing the database engine to quickly locate rows that match a given condition in a where clause. Without indexes, queries might require a full table scan, which can be slow for large tables. In summary, indexes in Oracle database are essential for improving query performance by providing efficient access to data. They should be designed and maintained thoughtfully to ensure that they benefit the specific queries and workloads in your database environment. Okay, fourth object. Let's have a look on it. In Oracle database, a sequence is an object that generates a sequence of unique numbers, typically used for populating primary key columns in database tables. Sequences are particularly useful when you need to ensure that each row in a table has a unique identifier. Here's a detailed explanation of Oracle sequences. Sequences are commonly used for generating primary key values in tables to ensure data integrity. They are also used for creating unique identifiers for various purposes, such as order numbers, customer IDs, and employee numbers. Next object. In Oracle database, a synonym is an alias or alternate name for a database object. Synonyms provide a way to simplify database access, enhance security, and facilitate application development by allowing users to reference database objects using a more convenient or meaningful name. Here's a detailed explanation of Oracle synonyms. A synonym is a database object that serves as an alias for another database object, such as a table, view, sequence, procedure, or function. Instead of referencing the original object by its full name, users and applications can use the synonym as a shorter and more user-friendly reference. Users can query, insert, update, or delete data from database objects through their associated synonyms. For example, instead of using select asterisk from our employees, you can use select asterisk from employees underscore synonym if employees underscore synonym is a synonym for the our employees table. Most important object specially for developers, so please listen very closely. In Oracle database, a procedure is a named SQL procedural language, structured query language block that performs a specific task or set of tasks. Procedures are stored in the database and can be executed as a single unit. They are a fundamental part of Oracle's SQL programming language and are commonly used for modularizing and encapsulating database logic. Here's a detailed explanation of Oracle procedures. Code reusability. Procedures can be reused in multiple parts of an application, reducing code duplication. Security. Procedures can be used to encapsulate sensitive logic, improving security by restricting direct access to the underlying code. Maintainability. Code is easier to maintain when logic is encapsulated in procedures, making updates and bug fixes more manageable. Performance. Procedures can improve performance by reducing the number of round trips between the application and the database, as multiple SQL statements can be executed in a single call. In summary, Oracle procedures are named blocks of SQL code that let me know encapsulate database logic. They enhance code organization, modularity, and reusability while allowing you to control transactions, handle errors, and secure sensitive operations. Procedures are an essential part of Oracle's SQL language and are widely used in database development and application programming. Okay, now take brief on these objects of database. This one is function. In Oracle database, functions are database objects that perform a specific task and return a single value. They are a fundamental part of the SQL procedural language, structured query language, programming language, and are used to encapsulate and modularize database logic. Functions can accept input parameters, perform calculations or operations, and then return a result. Here's a detailed explanation of Oracle functions. A function in Oracle always returns a single value, which can be of any data type supported by the database, such as numbers, strings, dates, or custom data types. Mathematical functions. Functions like abs, sin, cos, and round perform mathematical operations and return results. String functions. Functions like substr, concat, and length manipulate and analyze strings. Date and time functions. Functions like to_date, sysdate, and months_between handle date and time calculations. Custom functions. You can create your own custom functions to perform specific business logic tailored to your application's needs. In summary, Oracle functions are reusable blocks of code that encapsulate specific logic and return a single value. They are essential for encapsulating database logic, promoting code reusability, and making applications more modular and maintainable. Functions play a crucial role in performing calculations, transformations, and data retrieval within the database. Now take a look on packages. In Oracle database, a package is a schema-level database object that groups related SQL procedural language, structured query language constructs, such as procedures, functions, variables, and cursors, into a single named unit. Packages are a way to encapsulate and organize related code elements, making them more manageable, reusable, and secure. Here's a detailed explanation of Oracle packages. Trigger, one of my student was very confused about this. Now take a look on it. In Oracle database, a trigger is a database object that automatically fires, executes, in response to a specific event or action that occurs in the database. Triggers are written in SQL procedural language, structured query language, and are used to enforce business rules, maintain data integrity, log changes, and automate database tasks. Here's a detailed explanation of Oracle triggers. Triggers are used to enforce data integrity constraints such as primary keys, foreign keys, and check constraints. They can log changes made to tables for auditing purposes. Triggers can enforce complex business rules and perform data validation. They automate tasks like sending notifications or updating related data when certain conditions are met. In summary, Oracle triggers are powerful database objects that automatically respond to specific events or actions in the database. They are written in SQL and are used to enforce rules, maintain data integrity, and automate tasks. When used judiciously, triggers can enhance database functionality and data reliability. This is also very important object that is constraints. In Oracle database, constraints are rules and conditions that you can define and enforce on database tables to ensure data integrity and maintain consistency in the data. Constraints define limitations or requirements that data in a table must adhere to, and they prevent the insertion, update, or deletion of data that violates these rules. Here's a detailed explanation of Oracle constraints. Oracle supports various types of constraints, including primary key constraint. enforces the uniqueness of a column or set of columns in a table and ensures that they cannot contain null values. Primary keys are used to uniquely identify rows in a table. Unique constraint. Similar to a primary key but allows null values in the constrained columns. It ensures that values in the specified columns are unique. Foreign key constraint. Establishes a relationship between two tables by ensuring that values in a column of one table match values in a primary key column of another table. Check constraint. Enforces a condition on a column, ensuring that all values in that column meet a specified condition. For example, you can use a check constraint to enforce that a age column only contains positive integers. Not null constraint. Ensures that a column cannot contain null values. In summary, Oracle constraints are essential elements of database design that ensure data integrity by enforcing rules and requirements on table columns. They prevent the entry of invalid or inconsistent data, thereby maintaining data accuracy and reliability within the database. Constraints are a fundamental aspect of maintaining the quality of data in Oracle database. What a good feature or object of Oracle for performance improvement, which is materialized view. In Oracle database, a materialized view, also known as a snapshot or materialized query table, is a database object that stores the results of a query as a physical table. Materialized views are pre-computed, allowing you to improve query performance by storing and updating the results of complex queries or aggregations. Here's a detailed explanation of Oracle materialized views. Materialized views are particularly useful for optimizing queries that involve complex calculations, aggregations, or joins. Instead of recalculating the results each time, the query can directly access the pre-computed data in the materialized view. Oracle provide many better feature and objects like DB link or database link. In Oracle database, a database link is a connection that enables communication between two separate Oracle databases. It allows one database to access or manipulate data in another database, even if they are located on different servers or physical locations. Database links are essential for distributed database systems, data sharing, and data integration. Here's a detailed explanation of Oracle database links. Database links are a fundamental component of distributed database systems, where data is distributed across multiple databases for scalability, fault tolerance, and data redundancy. Distributed databases can be managed centrally, but data can be located in different geographic locations. In summary, Oracle database links are connections that facilitate communication between different Oracle databases, enabling data sharing and integration in distributed database environments. They are a fundamental feature of distributed systems and play a critical role in data consolidation, reporting, and data integration processes. Proper security and performance considerations are important when working with database links to ensure data integrity and efficient query execution. More powerful feature for better and better performance achievement here is partitioning. In Oracle database, partitioning is a database design technique that divides a large table or index into smaller, more manageable pieces called partitions. Each partition is treated as a separate storage unit, and this technique offers several advantages in terms of data management, performance optimization, and maintenance. Here's an explanation of Oracle partitions. Performance improvement. Partitioning can significantly improve query and DML data manipulation language operation performance, especially for large tables. It enables the database to perform partition pruning, which means that it scans only relevant partitions when executing queries, rather than the entire table. Data management. Managing data in smaller partitions is more efficient. You can perform maintenance tasks, such as backup, restore, and data loading, on individual partitions without affecting the entire table. Data purging. You can easily archive or delete old data by dropping or compressing partitions, making data retention policies easier to implement. You can create partitioned indexes that align with the partitioning scheme of the associated table. This
I'm sorry,
enhances
but I'm
index
unable to
performance
provide
and
you guys a
maintenance.
cup of tea. Please take a break to drink tea after pausing this video. So, now let a look what is basic difference between index and partitioning. Partitions and indexes are both database features used to optimize the performance of queries and data management, but they serve different purposes and have distinct characteristics. Here are the key differences between partition and indexes. Let's look point by point. Partitions. Partitions are used to divide a large table into smaller, more manageable pieces. Each partition holds a subset of the table's data. Partitioning is primarily used for data management and improving the performance of data retrieval and maintenance operations on large tables. Indexes. Indexes are used to enhance query performance by providing a quick and efficient way to locate specific rows within a table. Indexes are primarily used for speeding up data retrieval operations. Partitions. Partitions can significantly improve the performance of queries that involve large tables, especially when the query's conditions align with the partitioning key. Maintenance operations, such as backup and archiving, are also more efficient with partitions. Indexes. Indexes improve the performance of data retrieval operations by reducing the need for full table scans. They are especially beneficial for queries with filter conditions that match indexed columns. Hope these slides was having valuable information for you.